Simplify the probability that z, the standard normal curve, gives us a value between negative 1.22 and negative 0.78. So we learned, we'll just start our calculations up here, we learned there's a way to break this up into two calculations that we already know how to do. Okay? So we want to work with both of these, but they're both negative z-scores. And they're both areas shaded to the left of negative z-scores. So how do we fix them? Well, we flip them over, so now they become positive z-scores, but the area will be shaded to the right. But they're still the same numbers. They're still the same areas, is what I mean. So now z bigger than 0.78, but the z-score is positive, and z bigger than 1.22. Okay, but this is not something that can be looked up in the chart. So what do? Well, this is now the same as 1 minus the area to the left. So each of these can be replaced with 1 minus the probability that z is less than the positive z-scores we now have. Okay. Now, we could work each of these individually out, or we could use our advanced algebra skills to say that 1 minus 1 cancels out, and if we clean this up, we just get negative probability that z is less than 1.22 minus the probability that z is less than 0.78. And these can both be very quickly looked up in the chart. 1.22, so that's 0.8888. 8888 minus, and now 0.78, so 0.7, hundredths digit is 8, so 0.7823. And we just go ahead and subtract those, but in the absence of a calculator, we do it by hand. So we get 0.1065. And that's our answer.